Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix unable to log in on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and your account section. So basically, guys, if you're having this problem, the first thing that you should check is your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a good internet connection. If you're already connected to a good internet connection, first of all, go ahead and leave Instagram and then go to the Play Store and then go ahead and go to the search bar and search for Instagram. So basically, guys, right now we're going to check if Instagram needs an update. Click on Instagram and then right here, as you can see, guys, there is two options, uninstall and also update. So basically, guys, if you find the updates available, go ahead and click on update and then wait for your update to finish downloading. So just wait it up. So once Instagram has finished downloading, go ahead and click on open. And then this will take you back to Instagram. And then go ahead and try to log in again. And it should be fixed. If your problem is not fixed yet, then you should try to clear your cache. In order to do that, just go to settings. And then go ahead and search for apps. Once you find apps, go ahead and search for Instagram. And then once you're here, scroll a little bit down until you find storage. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find clear cache. Click on clear cache and then go back to Instagram. Then your problem should be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.